Welcome back to Daily Drives, your ultimate destination for everything on wheels. If you love cars, bikes, and everything in between, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we have something truly special lined up. The Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026. A blend of nostalgia and modern engineering, this unique ride is turning heads everywhere. Buckle up and let's dive deep into what makes this a game changer. The Volkswagen Beetle has always been an icon, from its humble beginnings in the late 1930s to its modern iterations. This car has captured hearts across generations. But now, Volkswagen has done something unexpected yet brilliant. They've transformed the Beetle into a vintage-inspired pickup truck. It's a perfect mix of classic aesthetics with futuristic technology, making it a dream machine for collectors and daily drivers alike. Starting with the design, the Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026 takes heavy inspiration from the classic Beetle models of the 60s and 70s. The round headlights, the compact body, and the iconic curves remain intact, but with a new twist: an extended rear bed for practicality. Unlike your typical heavy-duty pickup, this is more of a lifestyle truck, built for those who want style, convenience, and a touch of retro charm. Volkswagen has ensured that the 2026 model retains the unmistakable character of the Beetle while incorporating modern aerodynamic enhancements. The front fascia remains friendly and instantly recognizable, with LED lighting integrated seamlessly into the vintage-style round headlights. The fenders are slightly flared, giving the pickup a muscular stance while maintaining that classic Beetle charm. Moving to the rear, the transformation into a pickup bed is what sets this model apart. The bed isn't massive like a full-size truck, but it's perfect for urban adventurers, beachgoers, or even small business owners who want a stylish and functional ride. The tailgate features classic Volkswagen badging, and the taillights pay homage to the Beetle's rich heritage while embracing modern LED technology for better visibility. Under the hood, Volkswagen has equipped the Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026 with multiple powertrain options. The standard model comes with a turbocharged 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing around 250 horsepower. This engine delivers a balanced mix of performance and efficiency, making it ideal for city cruising and light hauling. But the real game changer is the electric variant. Volkswagen has integrated their latest EV technology, borrowing elements from the ID. Buzz and other electric models. The electric Beetle pickup boasts a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, pushing out an impressive 350 horsepower and instant torque, making it surprisingly quick off the line. The battery pack, estimated at around 77 kWh, provides a solid range of approximately 300 miles on a single charge. Fast charging capability ensures that you can juice up to 80% in just 30 minutes, making it practical for long drives. Let's talk interior. Inside the cabin, Volkswagen has blended vintage aesthetics with cutting-edge tech. The dashboard features a retro-themed layout, complete with a digital instrument cluster disguised as classic analog dials. The infotainment system is a large touchscreen, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's latest voice assistant. The seats are wrapped in high-quality leather with stitching patterns that pay tribute to the classic Beetle's interior. Ambient lighting adds a modern touch, and the minimalist center console keeps things clean and driver-focused. Despite its compact dimensions, the Beetle pickup offers generous headroom and legroom, making it comfortable for both driver and passengers. On the road, the Beetle Vintage Pickup delivers a unique driving experience. Thanks to Volkswagen's engineering, the ride is smooth with well-tuned suspension that absorbs bumps effectively. The steering is precise, offering a good balance between comfort and sporty handling. While it's not built for off-roading like traditional pickups, the electric variant's all-wheel drive and instant torque provide excellent traction on slippery roads and light trails. Volkswagen has also focused on safety, equipping the Beetle pickup with features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for easier parking. These modern safety technologies ensure that while you're driving a car with a vintage soul, you're protected by the latest advancements. Customization options are another highlight of the Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026. Volkswagen offers a range of retro-inspired color schemes, including classic pastel blues, mint greens, and even a two-tone option reminiscent of the old-school Beetle. There are also optional wooden bed liners and roof racks to enhance the truck's versatility. As for pricing, Volkswagen is aiming to keep the Beetle Vintage Pickup relatively affordable considering its niche appeal. The gasoline variant is expected to start around $35,000. while the fully electric model will be closer to $45,000 depending on features and battery size. Given its unique blend of nostalgia and modernity, this pricing makes it a compelling choice for enthusiasts and trendsetters alike. So who is this truck for? If you're someone who appreciates the history of the Volkswagen Beetle but also wants a practical and stylish vehicle, this could be the perfect ride for you. It's not meant for hardcore off-roaders or those who need a heavy-duty work truck, but for city dwellers, weekend adventurers, and collectors, it's a dream come true. Volkswagen has successfully blended the past with the future, proving that retro designs still have a place in modern automotive culture. The Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026 is more than just a car. It's a statement. It's for those who love to stand out, appreciate automotive history, and want a ride that's both fun and functional. Would you consider buying one? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome automotive content. We've got plenty of exciting videos coming your way, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video. Thanks for tuning in to Daily Drives. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Volkswagen Beetle Vintage Pickup 2026, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. We're always bringing you the latest and most exciting updates from the automotive world. Stay safe, drive smart, and we'll see you in the next one.